Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For the recipe number 1, we are gonna be using a zucchini, ground beef, but you can use any meat that you want, okay? Carrots, and organic coconut oil. The first thing that I'm gonna do is cut in circles the zucchini. And then take out the meat from the middle of each circle. I will put coconut oil in the saucepan. And then I'm placing the zucchini. If you want to cover with a lid the zucchinis, and when they are cooked, put aside. In the same saucepan, I added ground beef and carrots, stir for a few minutes, and when the ground beef and carrots are cooked, put aside. And now I'm ready to prepare the food for my dog. If you see, we are out of my house because the weather was very nice and Candy was so hungry and happy to eat these appetizers. She's a little bit crazy, I'm so sorry. So let's continue with the next recipe, number 2. We're gonna use chicken liver, rice, egg, and coconut oil. This is my dog's bowl, and I will open an egg there because we will cook the egg in the microwave. Yes, in the microwave. Don't forget to crack the egg yolk and then cook for 1 minute in the microwave. And when the egg is cooked, smash a little bit and put aside for a while. Now in a saucepan, add coconut oil and then the rice until the rice is warmer, and then put aside. And right now we are gonna cook the chicken livers. Cover with a lid until the chicken livers are cooked. And here I have everything, and I'm going to place everything together in the bowl. If you see, Candy is ready to eat this delicious meal that I made for her. So now let's cook the recipe number 3. We're gonna need cinnamon, oat, and a little bit of milk, lactose-free and low-fat, and a little bit of water. In a cup, add 1.5 tablespoons of raw oats and a little bit of water. A pinch of cinnamon. Mix everything, and then we are gonna cook in the microwave for 1 minute. And when the oatmeal are cooked, we're gonna add just a little bit of milk. Mix and let it cold for a few minutes. Now I will use this cute teaspoon to feed to my girl. Candy loves oatmeal, but she hates when I give her a full spoon. She's a little bit picky, yes. So now let's get started with the recipe number 4. We are gonna be using sweet potato and raw ground beef. We're gonna be making popsicles. Let's get started with this recipe. So now I'm placing the ground beef in the cup, and then the sweet potato and water. And blend it out. If you see the consistency is very thick, so I will use more water. Now I have the perfect consistency. If you see, it's like a herber, the baby's food, yeah. And finally, we are put the puree in the molds, and let's freeze for a few hours. And look, these popsicles, they look so yummy, colorful, and delicious. And here is my girl. She's going to try her popsicles, and I think she'll like it a lot. Guys, I hope you like these 4 recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye bye.